How to access TikTok Shop. Now, usually TikTok will be the ones to send you an invite link, and usually TikTok Shop will appear on your profile. But if it's not visible on your end, then we'll need to coordinate with TikTok customer support. So just go ahead and access your TikTok application. And once you're on your profile, just simply go to the three lines at the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down till you find report a problem. Then here, scroll down again, then just tap on submit a report. Now, if you have a certain screenshot on your profile that TikTok Shop is not visible, then you can go ahead and upload it. Just simply tap on this gallery icon right here. Just upload your screenshot. Now on from here, all I have to do is just briefly type in a message that please send me an invite link for TikTok Shop because it's not showing or available on my end. Now, once you tap on submit, you will be generated with a ticket number, and you'll just have to wait until the TikTok customer support will get back to you, maybe send you out an invite link for the TikTok shop, or maybe just them fixing you TikTok shop icon on your profile. So we'll just have to wait 24 hours or within the day for them to get back to you so that your issue or the problem will be fixed. So that's how you access TikTok shop.